Hello folks, bit of a random video for you today. Wasn't even going to really make one, but I thought, why not, right? Because who doesn't want to see me? Main attraction we have for you today is our Siemens 1PV 5135 induction motor, hooked up to a Gen 3 Toyota Prius inverter. We are running on the MG2 side of said inverter. Got about 150 volts worth of Gomi batteries feeding this thing. Got our computer rigged up. We've been doing some tuning. Throttle pedal. Press throttle. Ooh, inverter rewind. Ooh, motor shaft go spinny. Motor shaft go regen. Motor shaft go spinny. Look at that. So this is our new powertrain that we're testing out here today, which will be going in the E39. Because as you know, our trusty land yacht had a bit of an inverter and motor meltdown there a few months ago, so we need something a little bit more robust and a motor that I know is going to work. So it's also first closed loop run of a induction motor with the Prius inverter, but there will be more of those, because out here we have our famous P38 Range Rover, and in here we have our Lexus IS300 inverter, and we're going to be running not one but two motors with this guy. We've got motor 1 and motor 2, got all our cables here, so I got to rig this stuff up, and then we will try to make the wheels turn on this thing for the first time. So I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, hang on a second, why have you got this weird bucket and this humming pump sound in here, Damien? What are you doing? Well, see, Prius inverter has got a very low thermal mass, and so if you don't cool it, does it explode? No, it just stops driving the transistors until it cools down. Then it drives the transistors, then it heats back up, then it shuts down again. Because these things are, for all intents and purposes, impossible to kill unless you use a hammer. I mean, I went around today and I've put settings in here that would, not to overdo it, but would make a smoking hole out of most inverters that I've seen out there. I can put dead time to 0. I can even set min pulse to 0, and this just, okay, that's fine. You don't want to give me dead time? I'll take care of that for you. But anyway, in case you hadn't figured it by now, I really like these things, and they're cheap, and we're designing up some boards to get them to run other motors for us. So that's the plan here. What else have I got for you? Oh yeah, high voltage junction box build going on here for the Range Rover out there. Got our normal contactors, fast charging contactors, ISA, current shunt. Now, Johannes did teach me how to pronounce that. I hope I remember. Isabellen Hoot, I think. Possibly. I've probably forgotten and messed it up again. But anyway, yes, high voltage junction box build going on here. We've got more random Model 3 stuff here. What's that? We got, what's that thing? Oh, the PCS. So I got to get my PCS controller working. High voltage controller. There's other stuff in the bin underneath this. There's shunts and contactors and all kinds of stuff, because we got to get all this stuff to work without the Elon brain. So that's going to be fun. What do we got? Random engine. Some steel. Gotta have steel. What do we got in the lab? Obviously in the lab we have Infinium 8 gigahertz, though I probably only use about 800 hertz, but hey, it's 8 gigahertz. So Model 3 rear drive unit inverter hacking is continuing. I've actually broken away from this slightly now because we have enough info on this guy to start designing our little mod chip PCB that will be sitting in here. So that is going on. What else have I got? Oh yes, nearly forgot, because out here another inverter. It's crazy. It's inverters and more of them. Yes, recently donated this very nice Gen 4 Toyota Prius inverter converter. So we got more inverter converter hacking going on there. Another random engine. Don't know why these are appearing here again, but they are. Random alternators. Oh yes, another one of those horrible Innova motors that keeps turning up here. This is kind of handy having a spare one, because then I might actually... No, I'm just going to run it in the car. Feck it. Yeah, we'll just run it in the car. So, yeah, that's... Oh, yeah, I got these... guy on the forum posted the design files for these cool 3D printed plugs for the PCS. Elon, would you mind stepping back there for a second? Thank you. So yeah, we got this one for the AC, and this one I haven't even tried yet, so you have to see it live on camera. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, that's for the DC. I'd say that should fit fine. I think they're just nylon. I try to get them out of nylon 6, but I don't think this is nylon 6, unfortunately. So yeah, I'm busier now than I've ever been, which is strange, but hey. I'm gonna go tune this motor some more. You guys stay cool. Hopefully see you in the next more sane video. Don't forget to dislike, do not share, unsubscribe from this Gomi channel. And until next time, happy Prius inverter hacking.